Alright guys, I know we've been saying we're gonna drop, but my hand's been fucked up, so we haven't been having time to record, but we're gonna try to drop today. Hopefully today. I think it's the 7th today, I don't know, but it's a Friday. But also I wanted to say I can't really be doing for certain things, like when we're recording far away, we're gonna have to switch. Like this dude's gonna be on camera and I'll be on behind the camera, because we only got one phone right now. That's what we've been recording off, but we have videos already, we just need to edit them. Deuce and Cheese has been like catting out on that, but other than that, that's it. Hopefully we get something going. We're gonna try to be more consistent. It's just like I said, my hand's been fucked up, it hurts. Kind of fucking hurts my head just because it hurts so much. But yep, stay tuned.
Oh, wait a minute.
Le faltaban agua.
Say what's up to the vlog, bro. Let them know what it is. What are you doing? Let them know.
Just holding the bud.
Hey, what are you doing?
What the fuck?
Oh, shot. Looking crazy.
Get the Ronas. Record. You don't gotta record people's faces, just the floor.
Right.
We're on the way to get the Ronas.
Yeah.
Bien, that's bien. They don't got like 12 or little ones, no.
Nah. Oh, yeah.
You got the 50?
Yeah, I got it.
Él no más. Guardiante del dinero.
Ok, serían 21.40 por favor. 50.
No, espérese, voy a agarrar algo más.
Ándale,
Algo para...
tómate tu tiempo, aquí te espero.
Algo para que...
The light right, because I'm not
Yeah,
a good camera person.
it's already good. Like, you could already start doing it. Well, it's already recording, so there's no button to be pressed. It's already good.
Okay.
I'm gonna just do the holes on them. Who do you think is gonna win, though?
You are.
You're? She's already cheering for me, bro.
That's good. You did good making a hole without it shooting out.
I'm a pro at this.
You got a special tool and everything.
No, it's a key. Why, whoever wins this, we can't take you out for dinner, though?
No, I'm about to get my kid though.
But I'm saying some other day. Whoever wins this. No?
No.
Oh, all right. So it's just bragging rights, right?
It's bragging rights.
All right then.
Unless you guys want to make a wager amongst yourselves.
What do you want to do? Oh yeah, you're broke. Let's get it.
Dang. That was alcohol
Get it.
abuse.